progression. Okay, your topic will be arithmetic progression. Now you're all going to face the exam. Any idea about what is arithmetic progression by any chance? Yes, anyone can answer. Make sure you all talk, if not it will be boring. Tell me what is arithmetic progression?
A sequence with same difference.
With same difference. Okay, let's see what is this arithmetic progression is. If I give you an example as 3, 8, 13, and 18. If I ask you what is the next term, can anyone tell what is the next term? If I ask you, yes, what is the next term? Can you all guess?
23.
23. How did you all get? By adding what?
By adding a difference between 3 and 8.
Yeah. So here it is starting from 3, right? This is first term. Okay. In a sequence, each digit we name it as term. Therefore, this is first term. Okay. So if you see here carefully, everything is added by 5. So by adding 5, you can tell the next digit. Okay. Then if I give you another example, 8, 5, 2, -1, -4. And if I ask you what is the next term, can anyone answer me? Yes. Can you see here? From 8, I have subtracted. Now here, the first term is 8. So what did I do? Everything is subtracted by -3. Okay. So by that, you can guess here. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
-7.
Okay. So the only thing is, sometimes you all will be confused when you have minus mark. So I'm going to tell you how to subtract -3. Right from 2, I'm going to explain. You have 2. From that, you have to subtract 3. Directed number knowledge. Can you see here 2, it has positive digit and 3, it has negative digit. Tell me which is greater.
-3.
-3 is greater. But what is the symbol it has?
Minus.
Minus. So your answer will be the great digits value. Then from 3, if you subtract 2, what is the answer?
1.
1. Done. Now you have -1. From that you have to subtract -3. Okay. Now tell me. You have same symbol. When you have same symbol, your final answer should be the same symbol in the question. Now here both the terms has the value as minus, right? So your final answer will be minus.
-4.
-4. You have to add it. Same symbol means in simplification you put the same symbol and add it. If you have different symbol, you use the greater value symbol and subtract it. -4. Now you have -4. Again, you have to subtract -3. Therefore, -7. Did you understand? Don't get confused. They can give you these type of questions in first 25, not in essay type. Okay, essay types are standard and a bit advanced. Now, what is these digits? We added +5 here. Here we subtracted -3. What do we call that as? Any idea? Remember, in arithmetic progression, we call that as common difference. Now, how to find common difference? You should choose any term which is not the first digit. Without the first digit, you can select any term from the sequence. Okay, so any term, but not first term. Because I'll tell you what is the reason. From that, you have to subtract the previous term. Okay, Riza, can you select a term from here which is other than 1? From the example. 13. Did you select 13?
No, common difference.
No, I'm asking select a term. Any term, but not first term. See, just tell me a term, whatever
13.
you like. 13?
18.
18. Okay.
18.
If I select that as 18, this previous term means right before it, what do you have? 13,
13.
right? So therefore, from 18, you will subtract 13. 18 minus 13 is 5. So that is the common difference. Usually for common difference, we use a symbol which is equal to D. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now this is the first part of the unit. Can you copy everything? Let's get into the next one. So your next topic should be nth term. Okay. Now I will just show you one example. I am giving you a sequence. Okay, let's say I am giving you 6, 8, 10, and 12. So you know this is the first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. Now, if I tell you as T1, usually term we represent as capital T. I forgot to tell you that. Okay. Usually terms are indicated by T. N term means whenever you have an unknown term, we use N. Okay. So first term means T1. So tell me what is the T value? You know it is 6, right? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay. So in order to make it 6, do you have to add any digits here? No, right? What the digit should be here? You know it is 6. Do we have to add any digits?
No.
No, then it should be 0, right? Therefore, you know +1 and -1 makes what? +1 and -1 makes what? What is your answer for 1 minus 1? Yes? 1
0.
minus 1, 0. So that value I'm going to multiply by 2. 2 means, see, between the digits, what is the common difference? 2, right? So I'm multiplying that by 2. So here, if you see here, 6 plus 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 multiplied by 2 is going to give you 0. Therefore, your final answer will be 6. Okay. If I now want to find the T2 value, what is T2? 8, right? You know your first term is 6. If you have to make it 8, how much should you add here?
2.
2.
2, right? So this is the second term. So from 2, I'm going to subtract 1. Now tell me, 2 minus 1, what is the value?
1.
1. 1 into 2?
2.
2 plus 6?
8.
8. Now T3. First digit is still 6. How many digits missing in order to make it 10?
4.
4, right? We are in the third term. So 3 minus 1. Common difference we are going to multiply by 2. Now tell me, 3 minus 1 is?
2.
2.
2 2s are?
4.
4.
4 plus 6?
10.
10.
Did we get the value?
Yes.
Okay. Now if you see this, what you can tell about 666? What is that?
First term.
First term. Usually, first term, we use a symbol as simple A. So therefore, I'm making it as 8. You have a plus mark. Now tell me, 1, 2, 3. It is changing. What is changing here? Isn't it the term number?
Yes.
Yes. If we have to find for n term, for a common term. So what can I write here as? Pn means?
N.
N. So can you see -1 is common? So I have to subtract it by definitely by -1. Then you can see 2, 2, 2. What is this 2?
Difference.
Common
Difference.
difference.
What is the symbol D? Now did you understand how we got this?
Yes,
This
teacher.
is the first equation you are studying for today. First equation. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Now what you have to do? Soon write the topic. Write down this. Write down this as well and let me know. We are going to do few example questions.
Teacher done.
Done, teacher.
Okay, shall we do few examples before going into the next part, or shall we fully do the theory and come to examples? Shall I do the rest of the theory as well and come to example questions? Easy, right? Because you all are going to do the
Yes.
example. Oh. Next
Yes.
one, write down the topic as sum of arithmetic progression. Or sum of first n terms. Okay, it's simple. So if you want to find the sum, what you have to do is, I'll just take it as Sn. You will have, if I tell 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, how many digits do you have? 5 digits, right? So what you have to do is, in a sequence, you have to divide the number of terms by 2. Okay, and multiply that with first term and the last term. This is the simplest equation. Simplest equation. Last. Tell me, if I just give you the basic example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, how many digits do we have?
5.
5. So 5 we will be dividing by 2. What is the first term, Shafa? What is the first term? Isn't it 2? Yes, Riza. First term,
Two.
isn't it 2? What is the last term?
10.
10. Now you have 5 over 2. Bracket means multiplication. 2 plus 10 is
12.
12. Can you simplify this 12 and 2?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
because
6.
both are multiples of 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. In 12, we have 6 times. 5, 6 are
30.
30. This is the way we use. But can we tell that always will they give the last term? Sometimes they will continue like this, no dear. Can we apply this? Can we or can't?
Can't.
Can't. So after this, I'll tell you how we can do that. So always remember, number of term is n divided by 2. You know first term is a and last term we symbolized by L. Therefore, this is the equation. You must definitely know. This is the second equation we are studying in today's class. So if you write a summary, if you write a summary after the whole class, your own summary, so will you include everything in that? No, first equation, second equation. Only that will be in your summary. And then final equation I will be telling you after you have done this. Then in your summary, you will have those three equations only. If you know properly those three equations, and if you know the meanings of the symbols, and if you know in which instant you have to use each equation, then you can answer any questions related to arithmetic progression. Okay, so now copy this and let me know.
Done, teacher.
No, teacher, it will wait. Done, teacher.
Okay, now I told you there will be some instances where they don't give the last term. Instead, they will give you the only these number of terms are there in arithmetic progression. So find the sum of these terms. Okay. Now what is the equation now? We learned so far Sn is equal to n divided by 2a plus n. What I'm asking is, if they didn't give you the L value, how are we going to find? Now, I'm just asking you, if I'm talking about the 50th term, can we find the 50th term using any of the equation we studied? Can or can't? Did we study something related to nth term?
Yes.
What is the nth term equation? What is the nth term equation?
Tn equals a plus into d.
Yes. A plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is the equation we studied. So this is already there in our equation. So n divided by 2. A plus a is 2a.
2a.
Whenever you add, it becomes 2a. Then we have n plus n minus 1 into d. Did you understand the equation now? Both of the equation, in which instance you use? And do we have to memorize this equation? No. Why? If you know this basic equation for the L value, we are substituting our nth term equation. Okay, so this is the final equation. So this is the third equation we are studying for today. and only these three equations are there in your arithmetic progression. Okay, you can copy down. I'm going to discuss questions, example questions.
Done, teacher.
Done, teacher.
Okay, I'll raise the board. So what are the type of questions they can give you? Okay. Type 1. Let's say they have given you the arithmetic progression as 3, 7, 11, 15. Okay. They are asking you to find the 15th term. Can we find or can't? If we should find the 15th term, the equation used is what? Anyone, please?
Equal
Tn equals a plus n minus
A
1 into d. Do you know the d value? How to find the d value? Reza, select a digit from this except for the first digit.
11.
Okay. What is the previous term of 11?
7.
11 minus 7 is?
4.
4. Yes. Then common difference is 4. Do you know the first term?
Yes.
Therefore, now I'm going to apply first equation, then I substitute. For all these things, step by step, they're gonna give you marks. So A value is 3 plus, what is the N value? We are finding for the 15th term, therefore T 15. N has become 15. So 15 minus 1. What is D value? 4. 3 plus 15 minus 1 is 40. We have into 4. 14 into 4 is 56. 56 plus 3 is 59. Did you understand the first type? Yes or no?
Understood.
Okay. Let's get into the type 2. So from these equations only, the types will be different. Okay. So now they are telling that the first term of an arithmetic progression is equal to 4. And the common difference is equal to 26. No, they are telling. Okay, they are telling us to find the first term. Common difference, they have given it as 4. And they have given us a clue that 26 term of this arithmetic progression is 106. What do we have to find now? A. What is the equation we are going to use, Riza?
Tn equal A plus n minus 1d.
B. What is A value? Do we know? We don't know. First, they have given 26 value. First, substitute again. T 26, A plus n is 26 minus 1. What is D? 4. Then, do we know the 26th term? Of course, 106. So T26 will be equal to 106. Do we know A? No, we are going to find it. 26 minus 1 is 25. 25 into 4. You already have 106. A plus 25 into 4 is 100. 25 into 4 is 100. So you have to make the A as the subject. Therefore, you have to take the 100 to the opposite side. When you take something to the opposite side, symbols also becomes opposite. If it's addition, it will become
Minus.
minus. So 106 minus 100 is 6. Did you understand the type 2 now? I think you all can't see the last part. Can now start copying if you all understood. This is the type 1, type 2 done. Then what can you tell about type 3? Any guess? First we found the n term. Second we found the a in the equation. Next one, what will be missing? Any idea, Riza? Shafa? N term we found, it was missing. Then first term was missing, we found it. Next, what could be the missing one? It should be the common difference, no? Okay, you can write down, I'll explain that.
Teacher done.
Teacher done.
Okay, type 3. They are telling us to find the common difference of an arithmetic progression where first term is minus 32 and they are telling 12 term T12 is equal to 1. Shall we find out what is the equation we are supposed to apply, Riza or Shafa? Tn
Plus
equal
a
to,
plus n
at
minus
this point, you must know the equation without seeing because we are repeating the same equation. So Tn T12 equal to minus 32 plus N value is 12 minus 1. D we don't know. What is the 12th value? 1 minus 32. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into D is 11D. So if you want to make the 11D as the subject, we will be taking the 32 to the opposite side. So 1 minus will become plus 32 11D. So now you must know that 11D is equal to what? 32 plus 1 is 33. So if you want to find D value 11, 11, you should cut off. Whatever you do to your opposite side, you will be doing to the, whatever you do to one side, you will be doing to the opposite side as well. 33 divided by 11 is equal to 3. What is the common difference? It is 3. These are again very basic questions. Okay. So I'll be doing a complex type of question which includes simultaneous equation theory as well. Okay. So you all can copy this and let me know. We can go to the next one.
Done, teacher.
Let's wait for Shafa.
Okay, teacher.
Done, teacher.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Let's move into the next one. Example number 4. Okay. They are telling that in an arithmetic progression, the 7th term and the 12th term are, 7th term they are telling it is equal to 38 and the 12th term is 63. In this question, you are supposed to find first term, the common difference, and also they are telling us to additionally find the 20th term. You know, if you want to find nth term of a geometric progression, definitely you must know the first term as well as the common difference. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. But do we know? We don't know. The only clue they have given us is the 7th term and the 12th term. What is the equation you know so far? Tn, right? So they have given related to T7 is equal to, we don't know the first term, but we know the n value. If T7, you know 7 minus 1. And also you don't know the D value as well. So T7, A plus 7 minus 1 is
6.
6 into D is 6D. This is the first equation we got. This we will be considering as an equation. Okay. Then we have T12. T12 is equal to A plus 12 minus 1 into D. Therefore, T12 will be equal to A plus 12 minus 1 is
11.
11. 11 into D is 11D. This is second equation. Okay. Do you know simultaneous equation?
Yes.
Okay. So in simultaneous equation, usually we will, now this is the first equation, second equation. Either you have to add or subtract. Can you see here? In both the equation, A is common. The value wise it is same. A. Both are having plus mark. Okay. If I want to cancel this off, should I add or should I subtract it?
Subtract.
Subtract.
Subtract it. Are you clear? Because you know A plus A will give you all 2A. Therefore, we are not cancelling it. But A minus A gives you 0. Therefore, you must know at this time, at this point, that you have to subtract the equation. So you see from, okay, we missed something. Hold on. We already know the T7 value. What is T7 value?
38.
38. Therefore, 38 is equal to A plus 6D. Or we can write it as A plus 6D equal to 38. First equation. Second equation is A plus 11D equals to 63. Second equation. Now tell me which is greater, 38 or 63?
63.
So from second equation, I am going to subtract the first equation. Okay, what is the second equation? A plus 11D minus, you have in your first equation A plus 6. Then you have an equal mark. From second equation, we are going to subtract the first equation. First, let's remove the bracket. Minus into plus will become minus. Minus into plus will become minus 6D, which is equal to 63 minus 38. What is your answer? 25.
5.
Okay. Then, can you see here? A is positive and the next A is negative. Positive and negative, what will happen? It will get cancelled off. Then you have two different symbols. Therefore, you have to subtract. From 11, if you subtract 6, what is your answer?
5.
5D. Therefore, 5D is equal to 25. What can you tell about the D value?
Divide by
25 divided by gives you 5. Now you know the D value. What is the common difference?
5.
5. Can you copy down till here first? We have some more, but I need space.
Teacher done.
What about these are
Done, teacher.
done? I'm going to continue. So this is what we call as simultaneous equation. Whenever we have two unknown terms, we simultaneously try to find. And then now we know one unknown term. So in an equation, now if you see in Tn equation, we had two unknown terms initially, which was A and the next one was D. From that, now we have found D value. So you have to write a small statement substituting D value. Now I have given two equations, right? You can substitute it for any of the equations. You're going to get the same answer. Substituting D value in, let's say, equation number 1. So what is the equation number 1 is? A plus 6D equals to 38. Do we know the A value? We don't know. But we know the common difference. What was the common difference we got? Is it 4 or 5? 5, right?
5.
38. 6 into 5 is 30. 38. If we have to find for A value from 38, we will be subtracting 30. A equals to 8.
8.
Okay. Copy down this and find me the 20th value and tell me 20th term. Find it alone and let me know. Okay. Once you all have done, let me know. I'll be waiting. Copy this and 20th term. Find it and let me know the final answer.
Teacher, is it 103?
Yeah, 103. Correct. What about Visa? Did you find the answer?
Finding. Teacher done.
What's your answer, Isa?
103.
Okay. Fourth one. Let's say they are telling you to find the sum of first 30 terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay. 30 terms. They are telling you A is equal to 2. Common difference is equal to 2. Now n you know, right? 30 term means it will be 30. Tell me what is the equation can I use? I taught you all two equation with respect to sum of n number of terms. Which one?
N equals N over 2A plus L.
A plus L.
Yes.
Okay. What about Teresa? Are you going with the same answer? Is it correct?
Sn equal n over 2 2a plus n minus 1d.
Okay. What is the reason you are telling the? What is the reason? Okay. They are telling you all to find the first 30 terms. Number of terms is given. But did they tell you the 30th term is equal to 30? Did they? Did they, Shafa? No, right? They have told that there are 30 terms. That's it. Then n is equal to 30. So if they give you the n term without giving you the last term, can you find it? Can't. You have to use 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now tell me, Sn is 30. 30 divided by 2. What is the a value? 2. What is the n value? 30 minus 1. D value is 2. Close the bracket. You have to remove the bracket. 30 divided by 2 is 50. 2 2s are 4. Plus 30 minus 1 is? Yes?
29.
29 into 2. 15 again. 4 plus 29 into 2 is? Yes?
58.
58.
58. 15. 4. 58 plus 4 is?
62.
62.
62. 15 into 62 is? 930. Therefore, what is your final answer?
930.
Do you all understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. You all must copy these. We are going to move to geometric progression.
Yes, finished.
Shall we move into geometric progression?
Okay.
Okay. Write down the topic. This is again grade 11. Geometric progression. Next class, we are going to do what? We will be doing fractions. Okay, most probably I will let you all know. Okay, now what is geometric progression? We studied about arithmetic progression. What is geometric progression?
No common difference.
Okay, if there's no common difference, what do we have? Okay, I'll give you an example. A clue. Now tell me, can you all guess the next term? Okay, how do you all go from 3 to 6? Do you add 3? Okay, I'm just telling. Someone is telling teacher we have to add 3. Okay, then after 6 also you have to add 3, no? But 6 plus 3, will it give 12? No. Yes or no? No responses. Why is that? Boring?
No teacher.
Okay, tell
No
me.
teacher.
3, if you all tell me, means we have to add 3. Okay, fine. 3 plus 3 is 6. But 6 plus 3, will it give 12?
No.
No. But 3, if I multiply by 2, it is 6. 6, if I multiply by 2, 12. 12 into 2 is 24. 24 into 2, I can find the answer as 48. Therefore, arithmetic progression, we had addition, subtraction. Then in geometric progression, what are the 2 things you will be able to find?
Multiplication and division.
Did you all understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what do we call these 2 as? In arithmetic progression, we had a name called common difference. So always remember, in geometric progression, we call it as what?
Common ratio.
Common ratio. So how do we find the common ratio? Any term, but not one. Oh, sorry, first term. You should divide by what? Previous term. Example. Can you all select a term from this other than first term?
24.
24.
24. What is the previous term of 24?
12.
24 divided by 12 is 2. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Copy this faster. We will be going for n term in geometric progression. Okay. Just a question. Now let's say everything is multiplied by 2. Here instead of 48, I'm giving it as 50. And if I ask you, and 50, and also here I'm giving it as 40. If I ask you, is this a geometric progression, what will your answer be?
No.
No. Okay. Always remember, everything should be equally multiplied. Okay. So this is not a constant one. So it's from
Done, miss.
Done, teacher.
okay. We are going to move into n term. Okay. So directly we will be going into the equation. Okay. So remember, n term Tn is equal to, here same, first term we use it as a to the power r. Okay. For common ratio, I didn't give you the symbol, right? Simple r. Please write it in the brackets in your equation. So Tn equal to a into r, n to the power minus 1. N minus 1 is an index. Okay. Copy this down. I'll be doing examples, don't worry. Okay, I'll just show you one quick example in easy, right? Okay, let's say there's a geometric progression. Okay, so they are telling that the first term is 3 and the common ratio is 2. They are telling you to find the fifth term, T5. Can we find T5 equal to, what is A value?
3,
What is R value?
2,
What is the N value?
5,
5 minus 1. 3 into 2 to the power 5 minus 1 is 4.
4,
What is 2 to the power 4? 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are
16,
16, threes are 48. Okay. Copy and let me know. We will be moving into next equation.
Miss P.
Done.
teacher done.
Okay. Shall we move into the next one? What do we have the next one? Sum of n number of terms. In this, we are going to learn only two equations. But you must know when and where to apply both the equations. Okay. So there are two equations. I'm going to show you at once. First equation is Sn equals to, sorry, yeah, Sn equal to, you can write down the topic as sum of n number of terms. A r to the power n minus 1 divided by rn minus 1. This is the first equation. So what are the meanings? The usual meaning. A, you know, first term, n value, you know the number of terms, r, you know it is the common ratio. Second one is Sn equal to A 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r to the power n. Okay, so here n won't come, here also n. Okay, A Sn equal a r to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1. Second equation is Sn equal to a 1 minus r to the power n and 1 minus r. Now if I tell you like this, you won't understand. Okay, so I have to use two examples. So before that, can you write down this? Then I will tell you two instances where we use both the equation.
Done, teacher.
Done, teacher.
Done.
Okay. First example. Let's say I'm giving you a geometric progression as 2, 6, 18. Okay. Can you tell me what is the common difference, common ratio of this? Yes.
3.
18 divided by 6 is 3.
3.
So the common ratio is 3. Now tell me, is 3 greater or 1 greater?
3.
3 greater, right?
Yes.
So you can see 3 is greater than 1. Whenever you have a common difference which is greater than 1, you have to use this equation. Okay, that is how you can subtract. 3 to the, let's say I'm just telling 3 to the, you have only 3 digits now. 3 to the power 3 minus 1. 27 minus 1. It will become 27 minus 1. Then I'm going to tell you another instance. Second equation. Let's say you have a geometric progression as 120 minus 60 and 30. Can anyone tell me the common ratio? Minus 60 divided by 120. So you know two different symbols in division gives your final answer as a negative value. 1 over 2. Now tell me, is 1 greater or minus half greater?
1.
1 greater. So whenever you have an instance where the common ratio is less than 1, you use the second equation. Did you understand? Clear?
Yes.
Here we use when r value is greater than 1. Here r value is less than 1. So you all can copy this. Once you are done, take your past papers out.
Teacher, which year?
Copy this and let me know. I'll tell you all.
Finished. Done, teacher.
Teacher.
Done. Okay. Take 2000. 2014. In 2014, part 1, A part, 12th question. Start doing. I'll raise these things. In part 2, 7th one. So in part 1, you will usually get 2 marks. In part 2, you will get completely 10 marks. Okay, what can you tell about these things? Can you see in part 2, everything is geometric and arithmetic is related to 7th question. There's a pattern again. So let's say from today onwards, you are focusing on this. Oh, not only this, you have to do everything. I'm telling you. You all are practicing questions in this, and you know very well now how to handle the questions, or how in one shot how to do. So in your final paper, it will be easy for you all to select this question. Got it? So now what do you all have to do? Without taking time, you have to finish these papers related to arithmetic progression. Did you all get it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Which question are you doing?
Two 2014 7 question. Fourth one.
Fourth one. Is it easy or hard?
Little hard.
Little hard. 2017 paper.
2014.
Sorry, 2000.
2014.
2014, right? Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, I'll just read out the question. Consider the, okay, directly they are giving you, it is a geometric progression, arithmetic progression. Consider the arithmetic progression whose first term is 7, common difference is 3 for this progression. Write down the first 3 terms. Can you all find or can't? Yes or no?
Can find.
Can find. What is the
Yes.
equation you will be giving?
Tn equal a n minus 1 b.
AR and F1.
Okay. Find an expression for Tn, the nth term of progression. Did you all do that? Yes or no? Did you all do that?
No.
Y'all didn't do?
Teacher, we are doing.
No, I'm asking, do y'all know how to do? Now they haven't
Not
given
my
right. Those type of questions, see, did they tell you what is the term you have to find? No, instead they are telling to find the nth term. You know, Tn is equal to, you know, A will be as it is, n minus 1. What is A value here? They have already given in the book, in the question as 7. And the common difference is 3. Now tell me, you have 7. You have to remove the bracket. You know, whenever you have a bracket and outside that, if you have a digit, that term will belong to both the digits inside the bracket. N into 3 is 3a. N in 3, sorry, minus 1 into 3 is 1 into 3 is 3. Plus into minus is minus. From 7, can you subtract 3? Yes. Therefore, your answer will be 4 plus 3n or 3n plus 4. Got it? Yes or no?
No, teacher.
Okay, I'm going to explain again. They are telling you to find an expression for Tn, the nth term of the progression. Nth term. What is the equation you're going to use? Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? They are telling to find an expression for Tn. Do you know the first digit, first term?
Yes, 7.
Do you know n value? You don't know. N minus 1. What is d value?
3.
3. Now you have to remove the bracket. Tn 7 plus 3 into n is
3.
3 into minus 1 is
Minus 3.
7 minus 3 is
4.
so Tn will be equal to 4 plus 3n. Still we don't know the n value, but we have an equation. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay. Then the next one they are telling you to find the 50th term. So if they tell you to find the 50th term, you can substitute this n value with 50 and find the answer. Okay. Then they are telling to find the sum of first 50 terms, each of the following arithmetic progression. That you can find, right? Easy. Now did you all understand how to do? So, and students, in this they have given it clearly as arithmetic. In some question, clearly they will tell geometry. So in some questions, if you see, they won't give it if it's an arithmetic or geometry. Instead, they will give you a small paragraph and they will tell you to find. Example. Something related to row. Let's say first row had these number of C. Okay. The second row will first I'm just telling you an example. They'll give you the paragraph as first in the first row you had 50 seats. In the second row, 2 seats were more. If the instance is like 2 seats more, will it be arithmetic or geometric progression? Yes? Any guesses? First row 50 seats, second row 2 seats were more than the first row. I'm asking you, is it arithmetic or geometric?
Arithmetic.
How did you find it is arithmetic? More means you have to add 2 seats for 50, right? Then it will become 52. So first term will be 50, second term will be 52. Okay, again another example. In first row there were 50 children. In the second row there were 2 students less than the first row. Arithmetic or geometry?
Arithmetic.
Why did you tell arithmetic?
-2.
-2. Less than means always we have to reduce. Done. Another instance. In the first queue, there were 20 students standing. In the second queue, there were double the amount of the first queue. Arithmetic or geometric?
Geometric.
Always remember doubling means multiplying. Multiplication related is geometric. Now, did you understand how to find if it's a arithmetic or geometric? You have to find for the keywords like more than means addition. Sum of things also addition. Less than is subtraction. Subtraction means all these 3 instances it will be arithmetic. Doubling or twice the amount. If I tell you in the first shop it was 2 rupees, in the second shop it was double the amount as the first shop, what will you tell? Sorry, twice the amount. Twice the amount. Arithmetic or geometric?
Geometric.
Geometric. Did you all understand how to find out now? Is it a geometric or arithmetic?
Yes.
Yes,
Clear?
teacher.
Okay. Now with the theories today and with this, you all can do any questions. Okay. You all, anyways, in the end of the month, you must be ready for an exam as well. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So let's end up the session for today. Do you all have any doubts to clarify related to theory?
No, teacher.
No. Everything is clear?
Teacher, that Sn is equals to A, R